Morning guys, here we are at Mario's Hair Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. I have this beautiful lady, Miss Platinum. I call her Miss Platinum. Famous for Miss Platinum. So they came here 8:45 sharp and we are detailing. Then let's say day because we have another beautiful lady over there being pampered by my better half. So we're working on this gorgeous lady's hair. It's a wonderful day at Mario's Hair Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. She told me she pays me for what I don't cut. So that's what I'm thinking, smart. Just making sure, guys, getting all the split ends out of the way. This lady loves her hair. She's been an incredible customer of Mario's Hair Designers past quite some time, right? 10, are you kidding me? 15, yeah, 15. 1, 5. Si, señorita. For sure. So if you're looking for the best blonde hair color transformation, I'm your guy. If you're looking for an incredible hair texture, any color, we don't limit ourselves to one tone. However many color in the color chart, I can do it. Some color chart has 75, no problem. I can mix match, minus, plus, increase or decrease. Every customer of Mario's Hair Designers gets a glaze. Because a lot of times people calls me, hey Mario, how much you charge? Well, I have to see your hair. I don't know condition of your hair. If your hair needs a glaze treatment, what's the condition of your hair? So I just don't. I'm not like your mediocre. Mix it, slap it, send you home wet hair. That's not the salon I am at. Because I know some people do that. I don't believe in shortcuts. Shortcuts leads you nowhere. So we don't do highway robbery here, guys. We do what we love, and we love what we do, and it shows. So I'm increasing movement, strength, and making sure the hair flows and follows and balances with her silhouette. That's what makes us different from the others. Just to give you a heads up, we've been here 25 years. 99, October of 99 I started. Thank you very much. And if we've been here that long, what does it tell you? You do the math. We've been doing something wrong, right, Cindy?
Something right.
Oh, something right. Thank you. I said something wrong. See, that's what happens, man. When English is your second language. Sometimes certain things slip, sometimes slide, sometimes falls in place. So she has several colors and gorgeous, beautiful blonde right here, guys. It's a baby blonde. Look at that. It's beautiful. Shake your hair for me, please. Look at that. That's how we do it. It's a Saturday morning, ladies and gentlemen. Mario's Hair Designers, Johns Creek, Georgia. We were actually awarded Salon of the Year plaque 2022 out of many salons. So I was the designer of this place. have been, and continue to do so. Super. Check it out. What do you think? Do you recommend Mario's Hair Designers? Do you recommend Mario's Hair Designers?
Yes, absolutely.
Come see us. We make her look like a superstar, like this gorgeous lady here. So she's amazing, and her mother is even more amazing. Her mom is like my Bible teacher. She's incredible. Let's go over there and look at her hair. Look at this. Wow. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful strawberry blonde and has some copper and some blondes in there. And of course, Rhea definitely helps me a lot in this game plan. You know, she's the one who applied the color and did the color and blew dry. I just try to take credit for it, but no, the credit is due for the credit belongs to. And I love the lady who makes my capes. Her name is Long Island Cape Company, Miss Susan. She is incredible. It's a wonderful place, salonapparel.com. If you ever need it, hit her up. She's amazing. So look at these gorgeous colors, guys. It's beautiful. Look at these tones. Beautiful colors. So if you can do it, you need to come check us out. Mario's Hair Designs, Johns Creek, Georgia. And we love you and have a blessed day. And she's feeling blonde. Oh yeah, baby. Have a wonderful day, guys.